Hi there, this is John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and we're finally moved into our new factory, and we're setting up our first build out of the new factory. So we've got belt sanders and shaping machines and a whole bunch of 12-inch and 14-inch saws, and then the very back, which you can hardly see to, I'll try and walk backwards down here, is a bunch of 24s, and then I'll show you a later video. We're building more 18s, more cabbing units, and what else are we building? Flat laps, Model 6s, bunch of stuff. We're really busy right now. So there's a quick peek at the new factory. Got our new floors, which are the nice two-tone epoxy coats, and we got a mega lighting in here so we can see what we're doing.